Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 22nd September 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, put your hand on your heart and ask yourself, did I know previously all the things that Baba is now explaining to me? Understand the meaning of what you hear now and remain happy. Question. What is the greatest strength of your Brahman religion and how? Answer. Your Brahman religion is such that the whole world receives salvation on the basis of the Srimad you follow. It is Brahmins who make the whole world peaceful. You, the decoration of the Brahman clan, are more elevated than the deities. You receive this strength from the Father. You Brahmins become the Father's helpers, you receive the biggest prize. You not only become the masters of Brahman, but you also become the masters of the world. Essence for Dharana. First is, check yourself, do I have any defects? Deities are very sweet. Have I become just as sweet? Second is, follow the Father's most elevated directions to establish your own kingdom. In order to become serviceable, make your intellect spin this knowledge of the beginning, middle, and end of the world and of heaven and hell. Blessing for today. May you be an easy yogi who experiences easy remembrance by having the awareness of being a helper of God. Details are: to be a helper of God means to be one who is constantly busy in doing the service that God, the Father, has given you. Constantly have the intoxication that God Himself has given you this service you do. While carrying out any task, you can never forget the one who gave you that task. So, while doing service through actions, stay aware that you are carrying out that activity under the Father's directions, and you will then experience remembrance to be easy and become an easy yogi. Slogan is, stay constantly aware of your godly student life, and Maya will not be able to come close to you. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Now ignite the fire of love and make your yoga volcanic. To the extent that you become a volcanic form and is an instrument for establishment, to that extent the flames of destruction will be revealed. The collective volcanic form of remembrance will complete the task of destruction of the world. For this, special yoga programs should continue to take place at all the centers because these will fan the flames of destruction. The flames of destruction will ignite from the fire of yoga, and that fire will intensify from the flames.